So hello everybody and welcome to this talk about pin tagging and how to underline a video. I'm going to share my whole screen so that you can see all what I'm going to do here. So give me a sec. Okay, I want the whole screen. Okay, so this is the art of pin tagging and how to underline a video. First of all, I want you to see the two concepts here. One is pin tagging. Now I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. And the other one is underline, where you do when you've got a text, you underline, you highlight. Can you underline a video? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. Right, so as you know, because you are English speakers, a pin is this, a pin, what you put on a piece of paper, for example, or on a notice board. And a tag is a tag. You know, you understand. When I deliver this training or this workshop to Spanish people, I need to explain what a tag is, okay? So from these two words, we have got the word pin tag, which is a new word which we had invented. It is the action of annotating and adding pins and tags on a video to highlight or to underline, as we will see later, specific points or segments to enrich a video on its progression bar. Okay, so adding a pin is putting an exact time mark on the video, and also putting a tag is like writing, annotating a segment of the video. So we do this with this extension. I belong to this project, Class in the Box, and I'm going to show you how to use classinthebox.io to annotate and underline videos. So I've got here an example for you. This is a video from a YouTuber here in Spain. His name is Jose Antonio Lucero, and he has got almost 300,000 followers in YouTube. He is a teacher. He teaches history and geography, and he has allowed us to pin tag his videos, as we say. Pin tag, remember, is putting pin and tags. So we've got two lines. The first one is here on the top, as you can see. There are pins, and now I will come now into the video, and you can see exactly what it is about. And the second line is at the bottom, and it is the tags line. So in the tags line, the progression line of the video, you can underline, as you can see with the highlighter, you can underline, you can highlight the part of the video that you want to focus on. So we've got top bar, bottom part, and also I'm going to show you the pin tag area, which is this area here on the left. On the left, it is a place where you can annotate, write, expand, summarize, you can add links, you can enrich the information that is being dealt with in the video. So I want you, we are going now, wait a sec, yeah, we're gonna come into the video, we're gonna go inside the video so that you see, okay, the video I must confess, is in Spanish, but we're not going to listen to it, okay? I want you to focus on the left hand side of the screen. Uh, this video is being tagged because it has got pins and it has got tags. So if I click on a pin, the video goes exactly to this part here, where the YouTube in this moment is speaking about fire, as you can see. Or if I click here, the video goes exactly to this part where there is a Paleolithic or Neolithic activity. Now I'll tell you how to put pins and tags and how to insert activities into the progression bar, okay? And as you can see here, on the bottom line, we've got the tags. So for example, if I click here, I go to the part where the YouTuber is speaking about the introduction to prehistory. And if I click here, let's go to the last part, for example, for you. You click here and you come to the metal age where exactly the video is talking about the metal age. So this is putting pin and tags. This is underlining, sorry, this is underlining a video because you can, it is as if you take your highlighter, your blue, yeah, yellow, blue, any color you want, and you underline, you put a line behind the text, but now we are doing it on a piece of video, on a video. The video, it can be recorded. I mean, you can directly import it from YouTube, from Vimeo, and from Twitch also, and or you can record your own video using the screencast extension called Class in the Box. We've got a class extension. You record your video tutorial or you record your class. I'm using Class in the Box now, but you don't need to use it. Okay, it is not mandatory to have this device I'm using now. You can, as I say, you can upload any video, you can import any video from Vimeo, YouTube, and Twitch. Okay, so let's have a look now to this bar. This bar, you can, for example, you can insert a mode. You know the mode, this extension for sounds, I mean for audios. You can record yourself. The most important thing about this, I am pin tagging because I am the teacher, but my students can also pin tag for them. For example, they can look for main ideas and secondary ideas, and they can underline the video. You can tell them to write down the main vocabulary of a new unit if they are learning languages. So they put, for example, they put pins on the video when they listen to a new word, okay, when they hear a new word. Okay, you can also use how do you call that? Rich text format. For example, you can put polls, you can put underline. Okay, what you can do with a video. Okay, with a text. You can also, for example, use these colors to highlight. And of course, as I told you before, you can insert. For example, I'm inserting here a net puzzle video. Uh, if I click here, if my students click here, they come to a net puzzle video, for example, Edu, which is my name. So I've got here a video speaking about the fire because I am in my class lesson, we are dealing with, for example, the fire. So I want my students to watch a video net puzzle to see if they understand what the fire concept is. Okay. Another thing, for example, I can insert web links. So here I've got the Neanderthals. I click here and I go to another website. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I go to another website. For example, this is a PDF. I mean, you can insert everything that you want to into a pin tag video. You only need to have um, the link, the web link, okay, for you to insert. I'm going to close here. You can also insert photographs, I mean images directly. I will tell you now how to do it, okay? You can also for example, insert interactive activities. I don't know if you know. Yes, I'm sure you know word wall. So I take the link here. Word wall. This is an activity to see if the students understand the difference between the Paleolithic and Neolithic and the Metal Ages. So the students have to drag and drop. Okay, and you can take this web link, Control C, of course, and you paste it. Now, I'll show you how to do it, okay? You can also, for example, insert, how's it called, an infographic. You can put an infographic inside your presentation, I mean, your video. So what I want you to understand is that you can insert every resource that you find on the internet, okay? If you have got the web link, you can insert it, and it doesn't matter what application have you used for creating it, or even if you have not created it but just taken it borrowed from some other person or some other colleague. Okay, let's see more things that you can do. I want to show you this because it is very, I mean, teachers like it a lot. This morning, I've been doing a training for the GEG Spain here in Cadiz, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. You've got, for example, a quizzes inserted into the bar line, but have a look at this because it's not just inserting the quizzes. It's just, I'm going to show you now that on this line, minutes 540. Okay, give me a second. If I press play, okay, it doesn't seem to be here. Sorry, it is a bit later. Give me a second, please. It is. Here it is. It is magic for teachers and for students because they see exactly what you are seeing now. Our quizzes inserted into their own videos. So now, for example, this is me. I'm going to start to play these quizzes that I have created to see if I understand the differences between the Neolithic and the Paleolithic. So as you can see, I've got a Quizizz inserted into my video. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Okay, a podcast, and here at the end, I've got more ideas. Okay, more ideas because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to share with you this video so that you can work on it and see all the things that you can do. The only problem, sorry for that, is the video is in Spanish. Okay, but I've written everything in English so that you can understand. Before doing that, before sharing, I want to show you another two features of this class in the box rec, which are the following ones. You can generate a PDF document here, and this PDF document is interactive. I mean, when you've got your PDF, that of course you can send it by email or you can have it on your computer. You can click, okay, this is an image, okay, but the real one, you can click here and you go to the part of the video that you want your student, I mean, that you want to see or that you want your student to see. So if I click here, the video will go immediately to the Homo sapiens part because this is a tag from the minute 3:14 to the minute 5:41. Okay, this is the PDF generation exportation. And now I'm going to show you the other way of sharing a video. First of all, I want to enter, give me a second. I want you to see my gallery. Okay, so I'm going to log in. This is classinthebox.io. Okay, so you can create your account here. If you want it in English, just click on the languages selector, which is here, and you put it in English. I'll do it for you. And when you log in with your Google account, of course, you've got here, okay, I'm going to click, I'm going to use this one. Yeah, right, I'm going to use that one. And here on the video, I mean, here on the screen, you have got, wait a second, my internet connection is not working very well today. Okay, you shouldn't see these robots here on the screen. You should see the videos, okay? But because of my connection, you can only see robots, okay? I'm gonna refresh it to see if they appear. Okay, uh, there, here they are. Okay, so these are the videos, and I want to show you that you can, for example, this video, which is the video I was showing to you, you can share it with all these means by email, by Google Classroom, and you can post it directly to your students. You can also send it by Twitter. Just imagine you are an influencer, no? You want to put something on Twitter, you can use this button, or to your group of colleagues, or to your family. Okay, for example, yesterday I pin tagged a family video, which is here, and I sent it to my wife using this feature. Okay, or for example, you can create a Wakelet collection with all the videos. Imagine you are the history teacher, so you put all your videos into a Wakelet collection for the students in first or secondary. So all the videos are tied together in the same place. Of course, you can copy the link, and this is what I'm going to do now because I want you. I'm going to send you the link via the chat feature here. Okay. So if you click here, there you are. Okay, you have got exactly the same video that I was watching here. Uh, right, I've got 6 minutes. I'm going to show you how to pin tag now. So if you want to pin tag, you need to, or you record it using the extension. Okay, we've got an extension which is called citbREC. You can look for it on the Chrome Web Store, or you can import the video. For import the video, you need to introduce the link here. Remember, YouTube, Vimeo, or Twitch. So for example, in this case, I've got a video here prepared for you, which is about the rotation and revolution of the Earth. So you copy, and then you paste it here. And this is magic, okay? 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, my video is here, rotation and revolution. I open the video and I can see that the video hasn't got any pin or any tag because I haven't started yet. But this is as easy as peasy. Have a look at this. I just click here, click, and I move. Okay, I'm going to do something. Wait a second. Wait. Yeah, I need to pause because the sound comes through my speaker and it's difficult for me to speak at the same time. Okay, so I click on the pin and I put the pin wherever I want. As you can see, the video moves along. If I move my pin, Right, so I'm going to put it at the beginning because I want to explain. I'm going to put here, for example, introduction, the introduction, or okay. Have a look at the video. I'm writing to my students now, okay? Have a look at this video. Okay, only that. I can, for example, as I told you, enrich a video. I can put bolds, bold letters, colors, etc. Okay, I've got 4 minutes, so I need to go fast now. You can also add a tag. Have a look at this. You click here. You click and you underline. This is what they call underlining a video. So, for example, this is the rotation movement. Rotation movement. And then remember that you can write here everything that you want to. You can add links. Okay, you add a link, right? You can add emojis, you can add pictures, you can enrich your text. So you can even add emojis. Yeah, I said that before. You can add emojis and make it more friendly for your little students. Remember, adding a tag is like underlining, right? So this is the second one. And for this one, okay, this is translate revolution, it's called, isn't it? Revolution of the Earth. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you something else. For example, I'm going to add a link. I'm going to add a link. So at the end of the video, I'm going to put another pin. Okay. Wait a second. Here we go. You click on it, you put it at the end of the video, and at the end of the video, students need to do this activity. This is a interactive worksheet. Okay, I have created this interactive worksheet that you've got here using top worksheets. I don't know if you know this one. I really like this one. So I copy the link that I get here, right? And when I copy the link, I click on my okay, interactive worksheet. Let's put it here. Okay, so what can we say here? Do this activity to see if you understand the video. And I click on this activity, and I insert my link. So now, when the student sees this activity, I'm going to take it, I'm going to show it to you on an incognito window. On an incognito window, here it is, you allow all the cookies. This is what the students see, okay? So, okay, I haven't completed all the information, right? But when the students see this completed, they will come here, they will click on this activity, as I said before, and here is the activity about rotation and revolution of the Earth. Something else that you can do using, I've got 1 minute and a half. So, for example, I'm going to show you my screen, my Inspire Gallery, as we have called it Inspire Gallery, the place where all teachers can put their own resources so that they share it with the rest of the world. Okay, this is Inspire Gallery. We have also got the My Videos Gallery, which are the videos created by myself. These are my videos, okay? And I want to show you the tasks manager. This is the assignment manager. Sorry, in the assignment manager, it is the videos that I have sent my students for them to pin tag. Okay, so if I come here, okay, I don't know if I have got an example here. Okay, this is one of my students, right? Fernando. I click on Fernando and I can see what Fernando has done using this feature of assignments. And this is all, okay? So I know I've got some 30 seconds left, but I'm not going to start speaking about another section of this software yet. So thank you very much for listening. Hope you liked it as I liked working for Class in the Box.